In this how-to video, we will cover the recommended equipment care for Kelman DGA 900 monitors. These procedures are similar across the monitor group. Please watch the entire video before commencing. Full preparation should be completed before commencing any equipment care tasks on your monitor. Always refer to the equipment support manuals and guides for additional detail of these tasks. These procedures and practices are recommended, however, frequency is at the end customer's discretion, due mainly to the variation of installation and environmental conditions where the monitors are required to operate. Battery Exchange Hub Module. Open the front door. The battery is located on the host board inside this compartment. Remove the top and bottom nuts. Remove any communication connections. Slide the board out and support it to prevent cable damage and/or disconnection. It is necessary to remove the internal perspex cover to access the battery. Loosen and remove the bottom two screws, loosen the top screws only. The battery model is described in the equipment support guide. With the cover removed, use a non-conductive tool to remove and replace the battery. When the battery is replaced in the correct orientation, refit and secure the perspex cover. Slide the host board back in. It may be necessary to assist this process by adjusting the cables at the back of the board. Refit the securing nuts, communications, then remove any lockout, tagout and power on the monitor. You may need to resynchronize the system clock in the operating software. Battery Exchange Analysis Module. This battery is positioned inside the analysis module on the marshalling board. Complete all recommended preparation. Open the analysis door. Remove the internal thermal cover. On the marshalling board you will find the coin cell battery. With a non-conductive tool, remove and replace the battery with the same type. Reinsert the thermal cover and close the outer door. Complete post-equipment care tasks and re-energize the unit. It may be necessary to reset the time and date. Air inlet filter replacement. This filter is positioned on the underside of this module. It may be more convenient for you to complete this task from the rear of the monitor if access allows and is safe to do so. Remove the 4 securing nuts, ease off the filter housing. Note, this may require some assistance as the seal may be stuck. With access to the filter, you can then decide to replace or clean out the filter element. Ensure it is reinserted in the correct orientation, i.e. gauze wire on the outside to capture larger particles. Access to the filter, you can then decide to replace or clean out the filter element. Check the housing seal for excessive deformation. If gaps are present in the circumference, you may either replace the seal or repair locally. Resecure with the nuts and washers to ensure a tight fit and maintain the IP rating. Air outlet filter replacing. Open the hub module outer door. The filter is located on the top side. Remove all the securing nuts and washers. Remove, Clean or replace the filter or filters. Check the housing seal for excessive deformation. If gaps are present in the circumference, you may either replace the seal or repair locally. Resecure to the door to ensure a tight fit. Now close the outer door. Oil filter cleaning. This task may be completed as proactive equipment care or as resolution to a service error code. Close all the Kelman ball valves. Open the analysis module and remove the internal thermal cover. At the bottom of the oil manifold, you will find the filter housing. Remove the 4 screws. Have an absorbent material ready to prevent oil contamination. You may need to use a tool to assist filter removal. You may now either clean or exchange the filter for the same micronic value. Ensure that the filter housing O-ring is present and in a serviceable condition. Reinsert the filter. Ensure it is fully in location. Now you may refit the filter cover. Be aware that the cover will only fit in one orientation due to the top left orifice misalignment as shown. Resecure the filter cover and screws. Complete post-equipment care tasks to continue monitor operation. Reopen the Kelman oil supply and return valves. Power on the unit and re-enable the scheduler. Peltier Fan Cleaning. You may wish to use compressed air or a low-pressure washer to clean this module. Remove the fan group to clean and fully access the heat distribution fins. Remove the 6 screws, support the fan group and disconnect the internal power cable. Clean by your chosen method. Reconnect the fan group power control cable and refit the fan group to the module. Complete post-equipment care tasks. Always refer to the equipment support manuals and guides to assist with these tasks. If you require any further support, please do not hesitate to contact a GEM&D representative. Thank you for watching this how-to video and please check for other M&D product support content at this site.